Hi, welcome back to a Bristol D10 Inspired video. Today we are going to be talking about Purge, our citrus pre-wash. It's one of the two options we have as our pre-wash. Pre-wash is an important part of your wash stage. Your pre-wash section is to remove the heavy contamination from your bodywear. You could do this either with something like Purge, our citrus pre-wash, which is a product that comes in concentrate, can be diluted down to your chosen ratio, which is all given by the directions to the rear of the bottle. The other option is snow foam. That is another type of pre-wash you can use also. That'll be in another video later in our shows. So today we've got the Skoda Enyaq in, which is going to be in for a full ceramic coating. So first things first is we are going to apply the pre-wash, wet the vehicle, apply the pre-wash, allow it to dwell for a short period of time to allow it to work at the dirt contamination on the vehicle. And it'll naturally pull it off. Then we can just pressure wash that down and remove that so we can go with a contact wash safely. We're in the pre-wash stage now. So we're going to apply the pre-wash. In this case, we use one of our pump sprays. So I've measurements on the side so we can work out what dilution ratios are. Dilution ratios at Purge, if we're doing a heavy concentration, 3:1 for heavy soiling, 6:1 for medium, or 9:1 for regular, or just general cleaning, light soiling, especially during the summer months. So you can get a lot out of the product. In this case, we're going to use the heavy soiling ratio, which we've already pre-mixed in our pump spray, ready to go. Pump, squirt job. Right, so now the product's applied. The product is working on the contamination of the vehicle, the dirt on the vehicle, debris, the road debris, etc. that it picks up during its everyday life. We're going to leave this for a few minutes to dwell, work, and then what we're going to do is pressure wash it off. Quite simply, start at the top of the vehicle, working our way down to the bottom, pushing everything off and down onto the floor, thus giving us a really good clean surface to go with our contact wash. Right, so now we've completed the pre-wash stage, we're ready for the contact wash with the shampoo and a 2-bucket method. That method and that shampoo will be in a later video. You'll get that through our YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about it too. This car now is going to go through the next process with crystal clear polishing, and we're going to push forward to doing the ceramic coating on this vehicle. Thank you for joining us. See you again.